This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the white mesh exists and is permitted for use. This matters because asset permissions block runtime changes. Once done, open Berry Avenue in Roblox Studio and load the character model you will modify. Make a quick backup of that character. Don't skip it. Next, create a new mesh part or insert a face mesh object and keep your mesh ID or file path at hand so you can assign it in the Properties panel immediately. You now assign the mesh ID to the mesh part, either pasting the asset ID or selecting your uploaded file. Then align the mesh, tweak scale and offset so it sits flush on the character head, and rotate on the X, Y, Z axes as needed. Make material choices, set material to plastic or smooth plastic, then lower smoothness for matte white. Also check texture ID is empty unless you want a patterned face. This preserves the pure white mesh. You finish by testing in play mode, inspect from multiple camera angles, and with animations to ensure the white mesh stays aligned. If parts appear invisible, make sure backface culling is off and texture ID is not overriding color. If the mesh detaches during animations, reapply a weld constraint or rebind the mesh to the head bone, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if the face looks gray, verify lighting and ambient settings. Lighting can wash out bright whites, so adjust scene lights accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.